Hi, welcome to my channel, the Final Voice channel. I'm super excited to be speaking to you today. This platform seeks to contribute to the realization of equal opportunities in society and the overcoming of gender-related security, economic, environmental, social, political, and racial disadvantages that oppose this. Team Final Voice believes that it's not about how fast we can hurl insults at our leaders or politicians or chiefs, but rather how we show these leaders and chiefs what they are to do or what we expect from them. Behind the scenes, Team Final Voice has been going to some schools to donate items to these schools, because we know that some schools in Ghana are underfunded, because we know that some families in Ghana have to borrow to send their children to school. When we hear news like this, the only thing we can do is to visit these schools and send some textbooks, some resources to these schools. Yes, we can't be on our leaders. We can tell our leaders what they should do. We also have a role to play in the society. Team Final Voice will continue to do this for some schools in Ghana, in all the 16 regions of Ghana. If you want to help this project, what you can do is to follow the links in the description of this video and support us so we can get to some schools in Ghana. You can email me directly by my email address provided. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the videos, comment and share so we know what we are doing on this platform. Thank you for watching. Welcome to the Final Voice show.
Thank you, sir.
I am Charles, and who am I speaking to?
Mohammed Omar Hussein.
Mr. Mohammed Hussein. We would like to engage you, and you tell us something about the Ayomso Senior High School. Who are you then? I mean, who is Mr. Mohammed Hussein?
I'm the headmaster.
You are the headmaster of the school.
Yeah.
So, tell us something about the senior high school.
Ayomso Senior High School, most occasions we call it the Ahafo University.
The Ahafo University?
The Ahafo University.
The University of Ahafo region?
Sure.
What comes about?
Looking at the time frame, people will say in account that Paul Amantem.
Yeah,
is the one of the youngest senior high school in Ahafo. But per records in 2020, it was one of the finest, especially English language. It was second
in the region?
The whole region.
Oh, okay.
And it was fourth within the whole region.
Okay. The region as in Ahafo or
Ahafo region.
Oh, okay.
Looking at 20 schools. And 20 the schools. Youngest school becoming fourth. It tells you the effort.
It's impeccable. Management magnificent. So magnificent. Yeah. So how many students do you have now in the school?
We soon Form 3 students, we look at 334.
334.
We just completed school.
Those students that sat for this year's exams are 334. Oh, okay. And approximately the students will be around 500
500, 550.
550, 500.
Yeah.
That's so many students.
Yeah.
So what are some of the challenges that the school is facing?
The most challenge has been an infrastructure.
Infrastructure.
Because most of the finance, the money is generated from the chief, no more, no less.
The chief of the community, and the elders come to the aid of the school. Yeah.
Yes. Right from day one, he has been the backbone of the school.
Yeah.
And without him, forget about it.
So the chief and his elders come to the aid of the school in times of need.
Yes.
And apart from the chief, nobody comes to assist the school.
Nobody. If somebody should come, it is insignificant. It's insignificant. Nothing to write home about.
Yeah.
So if it is about finance, then it is the chief. The problem has been, modern way. Now education has been modern infrastructure.
Yeah.
We don't have modern e-library.
E-library, yeah.
Classrooms are
limited, yeah.
And one of them has been how to maintain teachers and give them, let's say, lucrative or attractive salaries so that they
lucrative salaries. That is a challenge.
That has been the challenge.
Yeah, the main challenges are how to motivate teachers, or give them something lucrative and infrastructure, like library, like e-laboratory or something else.
Sure.
Yeah. So, what would you like to tell viewers watching you? Are they to come to your aid, or what? How do we address this challenge? How do we solve it?
I think basically the chief alone cannot do it unless we need donors.
Donors should come to
the aid of the school. Because looking at the records, and it is proven records. It is on record everywhere. If you take WASI, we started 2016 and now 2021, the youngest secondary school in the region, becoming fourth.
It's impeccable.
It's unprecedented.
Unprecedented.
And if you look at the infrastructure, all this has not deterred the teachers, management, the student, even the community.
Yeah.
And still, we are making headway. It tells you where we are coming from, and they are determined that their efforts will yield a good result.
Sure.
So more or less, the chief is always happy because always there is a result.
Sure.
Because what he targeted, more or less, it's not 100%, but he can boldly say that it's about 90%.
Sure.
The most important thing is grooming the teachers, students, and becoming future leaders.
Sure.
Not necessarily getting the A's, but morally, spiritually, psychologically. How do they solve problems after a year?
Sure.
How do they communicate?
Sure.
All these things are in the hands of the tutors, the chief, and the community.
Sure.
So more or less, we can boldly say, if we make a headway, at least
to be fourth.
We are not there yet, but we are closer than where you
but to be fourth among 20 schools is an achievement.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the youngest school in the youngest.
Sure.
And it tells you, even those people from Accra Ministry of Education have recommended the school.
Oh, okay.
They said it's one of the fine. When we went for meeting, there were so many occasions that they have to call management to say bravo.
Bravo.
They have come far.
Sure.
Because looking at the challenges and all this do not scare them, and they have come a long way. Sure. That's why I said we are not there yet, but we are closer than we were yesterday.
Sure. All right. So thank you for coming on the show.
Thank you.
We will make sure that the world gets to know the challenges the school is facing.
Thank you very much.
So don't worry. When it comes to the infrastructure, you will soon hear from people coming to the aid of the school.
All right.
Thank you for being on this show.
Thank you very much, sir.